And bloop. Hey guys, it's me, Mary, your YouTube video girl. So I'm gonna do my makeup,
Yes.
and you're gonna see it's me.
Wow.
Let's start with the foundation. So get there. Okay, everybody. Now to make up my. Okay, everybody. Hold on, I need some more foundation first. Is it empty? It's me, Mary, your YouTube video that I was doing last night. Everybody now have foundation, now to blend it all over. Okay, everybody. Do you know what to put first? Next?
I don't know. What do you put next?
I just told you.
Oh, I forgot. I think it's that purple thing.
What purple thing?
That
Oh,
one.
this one.
Yes.
You got it. Okay.
Remember, just 2
Oh
drops.
my god.
Oh my god. What happened?
I'm dead. Ah, my eye. Oh my god, I'm gonna be dead after this for my boss,
Who's your boss?
Jorge.
Jorge. Who's Jorge?
Oh my god. Ah.
Oh my god, we need help.
We're gonna figure out, but I think I'm gonna cry right now. Oh my god. Now my eyes are red. Look at everybody.
Oh my god.
It's red. No, it's okay.
Okay, we're good.
I feel like I'm gonna cry.
Okay. Oh no.
Okay.
We're good. Okay, let's add on to the next thing.
Blow this all over.
Yes.
It's kind of a little bit.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, everybody.
Ooh, be careful not to whack your eye out.
Why?
What? Because then
What does whack your eye?
it's like hitting something really hard. It's like you're gonna punch your eye out. Okay, let's see what you have right now. Ooh, very pretty, right?
Okay, everybody. Do I look good?
Yes, beautiful.
So now, everybody. Oh, thank you for calling me beautiful.
Oh, no problem.
What do we have to do first?
Next we have to do the,
What?
it's that yellow, it's that white thing next to the purple one, right there. See the white thing? Can anyone find the white thing over here? No, it's the other white thing. It's next to the one with the purple cap. Can you find that?
This.
Oh, good, you found it. Okay,
But
that
Jaden, first we have to. No, that's for the beginning.
one.
Wait,
Oh,
I think I dropped my thing for my eyes last night.
oh no. It's such a big mess down there.
Yeah, I know, everybody. But hold on, let me go get my stuff from down there. Oh my god! Oh my god, I almost fell. Oh, this is lip gloss.
Oh, yeah, you can use that.
Not yet, because when we're at the beginning, we can't do it.
Yeah. What you doing?
Everybody, could you try to do this? Let me hold on. Let me hold the camera. Let me hold the camera, everybody.
Holding it?
Everybody, let me hold it. Everybody, here, hold this.
Okay.
Okay, Jaden, just open it.
Okay.
And I'm trying to get everything
Your
out.
fingers. Okay, look at me. No, don't look at me. You get this thing, the powder. Yeah, just shake it a little bit.
I'm getting you guys. Hello, guys.
Wait, you're like distracting me. Wait.
Okay, are you done, brother?
Yeah. Okay, I know. Okay, go back to me.
Thank you, brother.
Okay.
Sister. Okay, I'm gonna go right here.
Okay, that's good. That's good.
Am I pretty, everybody?
Yes, very pretty.
Thank you, everybody. Okay, am I done with that?
Let me see your face. Wow.
Pretty. The brush.
Okay, where's the brush?
Right here.
There, that one. Oh, don't eat the brush.
I did that. Wait, how come I can't get it out? Oh,
Okay, you got it?
I can't do this. Got it.
Okay, there we go.
I dropped this.
Oh no.
Okay, got it.
Okay.
And you see my mom. Do you see her anywhere?
No. Just your messy room. that you didn't clean from yesterday's first video.
Sorry, everybody, for last night.
Okay. Using your finger?
No, because I have to smooth it. Because see,
Oh, you have to smooth it. Okay. You're still smoothing it?
not yet.
Taking forever.
Okay, everybody.
You're done, finally? Okay. Let's get on with the video.
Okay, everybody.
Yeah, add the makeup. Ooh, let's zoom in on this beautiful transformation. Like the other.
Ready to do good, everybody?
Yes.
Ready. Me too.
Okay, now what are you
What's
doing?
gonna happen tomorrow?
Wait, what?
Guess,
What's gonna happen tomorrow?
guess, everybody.
No school?
Yep. And guess something else. It's something more funner.
I don't know. What else?
I'm going with my aunt tomorrow.
With your aunt? Really?
Yes, and you're gonna be invited.
Really? Oh, you're gonna make a video tomorrow with you and your aunt?
And you, everybody, you're gonna meet us.
Oh, cool.
Okay, now what's next? The eyes. Where are my eyes thing, everybody?
Where's the
They
eye
fell
thing?
thing.
Where could it be?
Last
Oh,
night.
not that one.
Wait, last night they fell down there.
Oh, no, I think there's some on the floor. In this danger. Messy floor. With dead Jasmine over here.
I'm not dead.
Oh, Jasmine, not you. Oh.
I'm not dead. Excuse me, I'm not dead, everybody. And I'm really sick of you guys.
Wow, Jasmine. Is that your real voice? Jasmine?
Yes, that is me. That's my real voice.
Okay.
And this is ugly makeup wipe.
Ew.
Yeah.
Disgusting.
Uh-oh. Jaden, I think I want to put this.
It's okay. Oh my god, scary doll behind you.
Where?
That one.
This one?
Yeah.
Where?
Creepy. It's staring at us. Okay. Go back to your video.
What is this? What the heck is this? Everybody, have you seen this?
It's just like the tag, I think. Here, okay, get on with your makeup. Let me see your face. Oh, you look very cute. Cute.
Okay. Everybody, stop. We have clay.
It's all dried up. Oh, I love your tutorial now. It's all about clay and your room and your cool things.
Oh, sorry, guys.
This one right here.
Let's get back to
This one.
working. Oh my god. Oh my god.
No problem.
Oh, wait. Before we do that, I have a special magic. Look at everybody.
Cool.
Be careful. If you sharp stuff, everybody, be careful with them. But this is not sharp.
Oh, don't use too much.
I know, everybody. Oh, stop, everybody.
Okay. Okay, now the other eye.
I'm gonna make myself look crying.
Oh my god, don't be crying.
I'm gonna make myself look crying. That makes myself look crying. Oh my god, I look like a monster. I look so mad.
Oh my god, monster.
Okay, everybody. I'm really sorry. Look, now I look like I'm a different person.
Yeah, you do.
But my dad doesn't know.
Okay, let's speed up your makeup.
I like Roblox.
You like Roblox, Barry?
Yeah.
What's your favorite game?
Yes.
I don't know.
It has a cookie in it.
Cookies Roasty?
Yes.
You like Cookies Roasty? She's your favorite YouTuber? Yes?
Yeah, but the baby like thinks.
Oh my god, this is creepy. So Mary, what's your favorite song since you're singing so much? Sing your favorite song. We don't talk about Bruno.
Oh my god, my eyes is hurting now.
Really? You do your makeup?
No, I don't know.
Let me see your face. See your face? There we go. Oh, I like your lipstick. Okay, sing your favorite song.
We don't talk about Bruno.
No.
Have you tried this one, everybody?
Which one?
This one.
Oh.
Lipstick. Uh-huh. 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 So I went to my cousin's house today.
Oh,
And
really?
you know what her name is?
What?
Alana. But she's actually my mom.
Really? Yes. Oh my god.
Yes.
This is crazy.
Hi. Do you like me, everybody?
Yes, very
I'm
beautiful.
gonna go show my mom, okay? Hold on, everybody.
Okay, we'll wait.
Okay, guys, I'm back.
So, oh, let's see your makeup. You're done, right?
Yeah, I'm done.
Let's see your face. Ooh, very beautiful. Ooh.
That looks including tutorial.
That concludes your makeup tutorial.
That concluding makeup tutorial.
Now, what are you going to tell your fans now? Like and...
Like and subscribe.